Have you ever found yourself staring at a FavePay QR code, ready to snag that sweet cashback or discount, but then realized you only have your PayLah app open? And you think, wait, can these two even talk to each other? If you've been there, or if you're just looking for the ultimate hack to streamline your online payments and maximize your savings, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a super convenient, yet often overlooked, method of paying for your fave deals online, using your PayLah app directly. Forget switching between apps, fumbling with card details, or missing out on those precious FavePay rewards. We're going to show you how to seamlessly integrate your digital wallet experience and unlock a world of effortless transactions. Think about it. You've got a fantastic deal lined up on Fave, maybe for your favorite bubble tea, a relaxing massage, or even a staycation. Traditionally, you might load up your Fave e-wallet, link a credit card, or even use another e-wallet. But what if you could leverage the funds already in your PayLah account, or simply tap into your linked bank accounts through PayLah, all while still enjoying the benefits of FavePay? That's exactly what we're going to demystify. This isn't just about making a payment, it's about optimizing your digital spending, making your life a little easier, and ensuring you never miss a beat when it comes to snagging those online bargains. So, how do you make a FavePay online transaction using your PayLah app? It's surprisingly straightforward once you know the steps. First things first, you'll need to have both the Fave and PayLah apps installed on your mobile device and be logged into both. Make sure your PayLah account is topped up or linked to a debit/credit card for seamless transactions. When you're ready to make a FavePay online payment, whether it's for a voucher you've purchased or an online order from a Fave partner, you'll typically be presented with various payment options at checkout. Look for the Pay via e-wallets or other payment methods option. This is where the magic happens. Within these options, you should see a selection that includes PayLah as a payment gateway. Select PayLah. This action will usually redirect you from the Fave app directly to your PayLah app. Once in PayLah, you'll see the transaction details pre-filled, including the merchant name, Fave, and the amount to be paid. Double-check these details to ensure accuracy. Finally, confirm the payment within the PayLah app, usually by entering your PayLah PIN or using your biometric authentication, like fingerprint or facial recognition. Once authorized, you'll be redirected back to the Fave app, where your transaction will be marked as complete. You'll then receive confirmation from both Fave and PayLah of your successful payment. It's that simple. No more manual card entries, no more switching between physical wallets and digital ones. Just a smooth, integrated payment experience that saves you time and hassle. Now go forth and enjoy those Fave deals with the ultimate convenience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.